Welcome to Eureka Math. I'm Mr. Shankel. Going to be helping you today with the problem set for Module 5, Lesson 17, and these are the answers. All right, let's get to it. Number 1, name the shape and write an expression for surface area, and then calculate the surface area. Each grid is a 1 foot by 1 foot square. So I can see that this is a rectangular prism. It's made up of all rectangles. So our first answer here is it's called a rectangular prism. So let's get that down. Rectangular base with a height. So it's a rectangular prism. Okay, next we're going to calculate the surface area. I wouldn't worry about the expression. You know, there are equations you can use depending on the shape, but then you'd have to remember all of those different equations. And I don't think that's necessary. Let's do what we did in the lesson. Let's do top, front, this would be the bottom, and this would be the back, and then this is the right side, and this is the left side. And if we do that, we'll cover all of the shapes that we have to, and that will be our surface area. So let's do the top and the bottom first. The top and the bottom, of course, are going to be the same. So the top is let's see, that looks like a 7 by 4 rectangle. So 7 times 4, that's 28. This is square feet. And that means that the bottom is also a 28 square feet. Okay, so we've done the top, we've done the bottom. Let's do the front and the back. The front and the back. And let's see, the front is a 2 by 7. So this is a 2 times 7. That's 14 square feet. And so is the back, so also 14 square feet. And then the right side and the left side. The right side and the left side is a 2 by 4. So 2 times 4, that's 8 square feet, and that's for the right, and the left side is also 8 square feet, and then we add them all up. And let's see, 28 and 28 is 56, another 14 is 70, another 14 is 84, another 8 would be 92, and another 8 would be 100. So exactly 100 square feet for the area of the rectangular prism. Okay, let's see, number 2 is, this one is a rectangular pyramid. So rectangular, that's the base. That comes from here, rectangular, right there. And it all folds up to a single point, making it a pyramid. So this is a rectangular pyramid. And I'm going to do the base first. Well, the base is, let's see, that looks like 5 by 2. So a 5 times 2. 5 times 2, that's 10. And that's square feet. And then the triangles on the top and bottom are the same. So let's go triangle on the top, and then we'll do the bottom. So the triangle on the top and the bottom are a 5 base, and the height would be here, which is 4. So that's 1/2 times the base 5 times the height 4, and half of 20 is 10. Oh, I forgot to put this is up here. So it's 10 square feet, and the bottom is also 10 square feet. And then let's do the triangle on the right side and the left side. The right side and the left side, well, that's a 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a 2 by 4. So it's 1/2 times 2 times 4, and half of 8 is 4. So that's 4 square feet, and so is the left side. And then we add them all together. So 10, 20, 30, 34, 38 square feet is the surface area of the rectangular pyramid. Okay, number 3. Explain the error in each problem below. Assume each box on the grid is a 1 by 1 meter square. Okay, well, they said the name of the shape is a rectangular pyramid, but more specifically a square pyramid. I would agree with that. The base is a square, and the edges fold up to a single point, making it a pyramid. So that's good. The area of the base is 3 times 3, 3 here, times 3 here. Yeah, that's 9 square meters. So they got the name right, they got the area of the base right. And the area of the triangles, well, the triangles have a base 3 and a height of 4. So the height's 4. So that should be, I found the problem. Area of the triangles. It should be 1/2 times the base 3 times the height 4. So half of 12 should be 6. This should be 6 square meters, and there are 4 of them. So it should be, the area of the base is 9 meters squared, and then each of these triangles are the same size, so there are 4 of them. So that's one, here's another one, there's the third, 4 meters squared, and then the last one, 4 meters squared. And then when you add all those up, you'll get your answer, which should be 16 and another 9 is 25 square meters is the proper answer. So they made a mistake with the area of the triangles by not taking half of the base times the height. Okay, number 4. Well, they named it a rectangular prism, or more specifically a cube. That's right. Since all of the surfaces are squares, that would make a cube. And the area of the faces are 3 by 3. So that's true. 3 by 3 is 9, so the area of the faces is right. Name of the shape is right. And then, let's see, did they have 6 different ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They only added 5 faces, and there are actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. So we need to add 9 more to this total, which would give us 54 square meters is the correct answer. Okay, number 5. Sophia and Ella are both writing expressions to calculate the surface area of a rectangular prism. However, they wrote different expressions. Let's see if they got the same thing. Sophia has a 3 times 4. Let's say that's the top. And another 3 times 4, that would be the bottom. And then she has a 3 times 5, let's call that the front. And another 3 times 5, we'll call that the back. And then a 4 times 5 would be the right side, and a 4 times 5 would be the left side. So it looks like Sophia's got everything included. And let's look what Ella did. Well, Ella kind of put some things together. She said, I know that the top and the bottom are 3 by 4 rectangles, and there are 2 of them, so that she multiplied by 2. And then she added the front and the back. The front and the back are 3 by 5 rectangles, and there are 2 of them, so she multiplied by 2 again. And then the right side and the left side are 4 by 5 rectangles, so she multiplied by 4 times 5, and then she knows that there are 2 of them, so she multiplied by 2 again. And you can see that these are exactly the same expressions. Part B, what fact about the surface area of a rectangular prism does Ella's expression show more clearly than Sophia's? Well, she's just saying that the top and the bottom are the same, the front and the back are the same, and the right and the left side are the same. And she did that by multiplying by 2. Okay, there are your answers for Lesson 17. I hope that helps. See you again next time.